What's good, my people? Back again with another one. So I've got a pair of off-whites here. The box is actually nice and fresh, all white box, and on the box right there it says off-white and then the trademark logo. It is a raised font, and then just below it does say off-white, care of Virgil Abloh 2013. That's not raised, it's more like printed on. We'll get straight into the contents of the box. So this pair comes with one big dust bag for them, so you can put both shoes in. It's like printed on kind of sticker on the cotton dust bag. It also comes with spare laces which look like this. I just had them outside the box. So yeah, it just literally says shoelaces in quotation marks, and they're white, just plain simple cotton laces. Let's get to the good bit. So here we go. We've got the off-white out of office leather low top trainers, sneakers, whatever you want to call them, which it also says on the box label. And I like that I can take it off and just show everyone here like this, but I don't like it at the same time because it's removable. But obviously it does say the style, model, color, etc. Pause it now if you want to read everything. And there we go. But yeah, so we've got the leather off-white out of office low top in black and white, which personally I think is the best colorway of this shoe. It's just so clean and it will go with literally everything. And if you don't know already how boring I am now, then you haven't watched all my last videos of all these black and just all black sneakers, trainers, etc. So I'll just go through all the colors, etc. The sole, it just says off-white, and it's got translucent like yellow there, translucent yellow there. It says off-white, and then the trademark, standard off-white out of office sole. All the sneakers will have this sole. Sometimes this will be colored. It could be tinted. So for example, if you buy blue, some might have a blue tint towards them. It just depends on the colorway that you buy. A lot of them do have it like this, but a lot of them do have different ones. The midsole, it's a split, so obviously it's got the translucent, then it's got the black, and then the white on the midsole, so kind of 50-50 here, and then it just becomes 95-5, whatever. I'm not going to give it all numbers because I cannot be bothered. The upper, literally the whole upper is leather, so from the back tab, and then every last bit of the shoe, including that lovely off-white swoosh. I just can't help but saying that. Toe box and around, it's all leather, and then obviously on this side, same thing, all leather. The lace holes, obviously leather, and then the tongue, it's got this mesh material on the whole tongue, and then at the top here it says off-white, care of Virgil Abloh. Made on earth, designed on a plane right there, and then 2013, which is all kind of embossed into that leather, stitched, but it does have like a gap there. On the inside it does say off-white with the trademark. Then inside the tongue it says 44, which is the size, and made in China, because that's where they're made. On the insole, or the inside, the shoes, you can see just nice clean stitching there. Sometimes it will have a little sticker there. I don't know if you can see that sticker, probably not. And then we've got the insole, which is obviously all black with the off-white. It's not the most comfortable, I'll be completely honest. But you can change that out, which I probably will, to make these a bit more comfortable. They are comfy, I'll be honest, but sometimes because of my old age, back hurts, legs hurt, etc. But yeah, I really do like this shoe. Off-white stamps there on the heel. On one of them, it does have this tag, which says off-white, and then at the top it says 2013 zip tie. It just buttons on and it comes off. I am going to remove this and keep it off the shoe. I'm going to be completely honest. I'm not walking around with this big tag on my shoe. And yeah, I just don't want that. I think it looks a bit silly. A lot of people have it on. I'm going to take mine off. I'm going to be different. Just remove the tag. Yeah, definitely going to take that off because that will annoy me. Imagine walking around like that all day. Just do. Yeah, not dealing with that. But yeah, I really do like this shoe. Simple black and white, which goes with everything. That's why I love black and white trainers. Why not? But yeah, I don't have too much more to say. Just wait a few moments. You'll see an on-foot video of these. There's also going to be, if it's not up already, it will be up soon, a comparison of this and the other high top, mid top, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, just make sure you like, make sure you comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, all the videos, and take care, my people.